Such a Becca thing.
Mama, down in front.
Get it, girl!
Welcome. My name is Brian, and I have the privilege of performing this marriage ceremony today. On behalf of Taya and Adam, thank you for being here. They are delighted from beyond the grave that you are here today to share in their joy during this wonderful moment in their afterlives. By your rotting presence, you celebrate with them the undying love they have discovered in each other, and you support their decision to walk with the dead together for eternity. As we begin today's celebration, I would like to ask, who presents this woman's corpse to be married to this man's cadaver? Today, their relationship changes. All of us know it will continue to rot and become putrid and bug-infested. Indeed, this day is a day of hope, a day in which Adam and Thea demonstrate their commitment, devotion to eating human flesh, as well as their faith in love and one another. You undead who are gathered here as witnesses are called to continue your support and your encouragement as they unite in unholy matrimony. This ceremony today is a most serious covenant made before all of us as witnesses. From your new marriage can come the nurture and strength you two need to face the world. Only from this moment on, you will face the world together in a new way. Today, a new family is born, and our world will be better for its birth. For this, we all celebrate. And now a reading to express the sense of joy and love on this occasion. If I May Have It, by Emily Dickinson. If I may have it when it's dead, I will contented be. If just as soon as breath is out, it shall belong to me. Until they lock it in the grave, 'tis bliss I cannot weigh. For though they lock thee in the grave, myself can hold the key. Think of it, lover, I and thee, permitted face to be. After a life, a death will say, for death was that, but this is thee.
If I May Have It by Emily Dickinson.
Now just a few questions.
I don't want to forget that.
First for you, Adam. Adam, you have chosen Thea to be your wife. Will you love and respect her? Will you be honest with her always? Will you stand by her through whatever may come? Thea, you have chosen Adam to be your husband. Will you love and respect him? Will you be honest with him always? Will you stand by him through whatever may come? And do you both promise to make the personal adjustments, to make the necessary adjustments in your personal afterlives, that you may continue to live in a harmonious relationship together?
It's amazing.
Now, in the joy and spirit of affirmation and resurrection, I want to ask your families and friends a question. Do you, the families and friends of Adam and Thea, give them your blessing and support, wishing them a wonderful life together?
She looks cute.
Thea, Adam, now we come to your vows. May I remind you that saying your vows is one thing, but nothing is more challenging than living them day by day. What you promise today must be renewed tomorrow and each day that stretches out before you. Turn, face each other, Hold hands.
Every camera just came back out. Such unbearable chills. This is so.
Blackberry.
Adam, repeat after me.
In the presence of our family and friends,
That's right, read it like that. I can get that.
I, Adam, choose you, Taya, to be my wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse,
As long as people shall live.
for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, in joy and in sorrow, to love and to cherish, and to be faithful to you alone. This is my solemn vow.
In the presence of our family and friends, I, Taya, choose you, Adam, to be my husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, in joy and in sorrow, to love and to cherish, and to be faithful to you alone. This is my solemn vow.